Do you think you need to get a whole lot of expensive woodwork done for a beautiful living room? I don't think so. Do you think you can't lighten up your room without false ceiling? Not at all. Hi, I am Gitika Arya, and on this channel I share some tricks and hacks about decorating your house in a very simple, easy and budget friendly way. So if you are new to this channel, then first of all please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification button so that you get updated whenever I upload a new video. And in today's video I am going to show you how I decorated my living room without any false ceiling, without expensive woodwork. Further ado, let's start the video.
So this is the room, this is the living room, and this is how we arranged it temporarily after shifting there with some couches and the chair. And now I'm going to give a makeover to this room. It is quite spacious without any woodwork, so I decided blue, yellow and cream color theme for the room. And we want to change the color of this wall, and for that first of all we are leveling this wall, and then we use this mustard Asian paint to color it. And painting this single wall cost us around $1,000. Like, we bought 2 liters of the paint and also we gave money to the painter, so in total it was around $1,000, and it is a great way to make a statement wall in any living room. Then on this corner I want to hang my bird cages, so for that I got installed the same brackets which are used for support of the iron rods for the curtains. Those same brackets I got installed here so that I can hang my bird cages. So the paint is done, and here are our 2 brackets. Now I'm going to decorate this wall in the Wake Up Sid movie theme, if you have seen that. So now I'm just marking the points where I want my nails. I want my nails in a line, 5 to 6 nails, and on both sides I want my nails. I'm using these clips with the nails, as these nails are perfect. These are small, not very thick also. So we have removed these nails and then we inserted these nails on the wall. Then we changed the simple bulb we had here with this beautiful light. So we got this light from Amazon. I will give the link of all the products in the description box below. So this golden light, it's very chic and stylish, and in this I used the Edison LED bulbs with yellow light. Again I will give the links because I don't think these bulbs are easily available in the market. Then we got these blinds customized, made from a local shop, and we decided to go with blinds instead of the curtains because we wanted a very chic look for the room, and we went for a very simple and neutral pattern, and the colors are mix of blue and grey. We chose very neutral colors so that they can go with any kind of furniture or decor piece which we will buy. Then on this corner I wanted a hanging lamp, so I got this lamp from Fab India. So after drilling he just hung this lamp with this black cap, and the wire is black and it's also small. My switchboard is near the floor, so I wanted my wire to be of color so that it's not visible. So I wanted a transparent wire, but that was not available in the market, so we went for the white wire, and we kind of tucked the wire in the area where the 2 walls were meeting so that it will be least visible here, and we tucked the wire along this line with the help of those white clips which I used to attach the wire to the wall. And this is how we hanged our lamp. So you can use transparent wire also. It was not available because of the lockdown and all situation. That would be great if you get that wire. So near to the one end of the yellow wall I hang my bird cages, and on the other side I want to hang my swing, and we used this hook to hang our swing. So again I will give the link of this hook in the description box below, actually of all the products. Then further he added this strong steel chain in it, and from that he hung the swing. Then he used some strong nuts and bolts to secure the ends of the chain. Then on this wall, just behind the 3-seater couch, I want to hang a painting which I got from Amazon in the same color theme, blue, white, grey, yellow, according to the room, and I hanged it there just in the middle. It's in symmetry with the tube light as well as with the couch. It's in middle of the both. Then on that end of the couch, just below the lamp, I added this bookshelf which I got from Amazon. It's very stylish, very smart. Then I placed my novels and other books which I like to read. Then on the side of bookshelf, I placed this plant, and I placed this plants inside a cane basket, and I also used a plate beneath the pot. Then according to the theme of the room, I bought these cushion covers from Amazon. They have a very pretty kantha work over them and very stylish print. And my theme is blue yellow, so I am going to add the cushions of 2 or 3 colors. So whenever I set the cushions, I try to see all the possibilities which I can have with the available cushion covers. And then I select the best setting and just go with it. Ta-da! My couch is ready. Then I place this carpet beneath the couch and the table. So this carpet is a mix of jute and cotton, and because it's a mix, so it's not very rough and it does not lose its fiber also. So it looks very nice. I also got this from Amazon. Again, I will give the link. And this kind of color is very neutral. You can add different couches, different kind of decor in the room, but this carpet will go with each and every kind of decor. Then I hang my bird cages on these brackets, smaller one on the upper bracket, the larger one on the lower bracket, and I will give the links of these bird cages also. These are of white color. Then between the nails which I installed earlier, I wanted to make a very random pattern, so I took this black wool roll and I made a very random pattern. The more random pattern you would make, the more stylish it will look, just like the wake up set theme. And you can also use some black rope. I didn't have it, so I used this black wool. Again, I got it from Amazon, so I will give the link. You just have to roll it around the nails and then stretch it towards the other end and roll it around the other nail on the other end. You have to repeat this procedure again and again. And you need to secure the ends, the end where you are starting and the end where you are finishing this rope. You need to secure those by tying those. Then I have to paste some birds over those black ropes, and for that I am cutting the birds from the white chart paper, and I draw some birds over the white chart paper. You have to draw a very easy figure on the white paper and just cut them out of the paper. And then just paste them randomly on those ropes with the help of double-sided tape. Then I place this cushion on the swing. And then I placed a plant beneath these bird cages, again in a cane basket. Now in this area between the swing and the plant, I want a low sitting arrangement, and for that I placed a single bed mattress here. And then I laid down the same signature divan set because it is totally going with the theme of the room. I didn't find any other bedsheet even online which was so apt for this room. So then I added the matching bolsters, and I also added these two big cushions for the back support. Then for the bird cages, I got this LED light. It is battery operated light, and I just added in both the cages. Now in case of the 3-seater sofa, as I placed on one side the bookshelf which is very tall, so I want a taller decor piece on this side also. So for that I added this lamp. This is a very stylish floor lamp which I got from Amazon, and it's very chic, very stylish. On side of this lamp also I placed a plant which I forgot to shoot actually. And then in place of my older coffee table, I got this wooden coffee table from Amazon, and it's very stylish, very chic, and I placed some candles, a novel and an artificial plant over it.
So how was it? Let me know in the comment section below. I hope you liked this video, and also share this video with your family and friends. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.